15 interesting elephant facts I bet you didn't know. Welcome to an exciting journey into the world of elephants. Elephants are much more than just the largest land animals on Earth. They're incredibly intelligent, emotional, and complex creatures. Let's dive into 15 interesting facts that I bet you didn't know about these gentle giants. Elephants are natural-born leaders. The herds are matriarchal, meaning that the oldest female, or matriarch, leads the group. She decides where they travel, eat, and drink. Talk about girl power. Did you know elephants have a memory that could put ours to shame? They can remember routes to watering holes over incredible distances, and even recognize old friends and family members after years of separation. In a touching display of empathy, elephants mourn their dead. They'll touch the bones of deceased elephants with their trunks and feet, and might even stay with the body for days. It's a truly humbling sight. Elephants have a highly developed brain, similar to humans. They can experience a range of emotions such as joy, love, jealousy, fury, grief, compassion, and distress. Yes, they can even cry and laugh. They also have amazing hearing capabilities. Their large ears not only help them cool down but also capture sounds over a distance of up to 10 kilometers. Now, that's what I call an eavesdropper.
Speaking of ears, did you know each elephant's ear is unique, like a human fingerprint? They can be identified by the size, shape, and folds of their ears. Elephants love water. They can't swim like dolphins, but they are known to use their trunk as a snorkel while crossing deep waters. Talk about innovation in the animal kingdom. Elephants are also known for their incredible strength. An adult can carry up to 9,000 kilograms. That's about the weight of a small school bus. Ever wondered why elephants have such large, flat feet? It's because they need to support their massive weight. but they're surprisingly gentle walkers and can move almost silently. You might think elephants eat anything they can get their trunks on, but they are actually strict vegetarians. They can consume up to 300 kilograms of food in a single day. Did you know an elephant's trunk is one of the most versatile tools in the animal kingdom? It's used for breathing, smelling, touching, grabbing, and even producing sound. It's a true multipurpose wonder. Elephants are known for their impressive tusks, but did you know that they are actually elongated incisor teeth? They use these for digging, lifting, gathering food, and defending themselves. Elephant babies, or calves, are the cutest. They are born blind and can weigh up to 100 kilograms. That's heavier than most adult humans. Elephants have a long lifespan, almost as much as humans. In the wild, they can live up to 70 years. The oldest recorded elephant lived to be 86. Finally, despite their size, elephants can be quite playful and love to play soccer or engage in friendly wrestling matches. They're not all serious and solemn, after all. So there you go. 15 fascinating elephant facts that show just how amazing these creatures truly are. With their intelligence, emotional depth, and sheer physical strength, elephants are indeed one of nature's most intriguing marvels.